Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this smoke machine that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it yesterday and I tried it last night, and actually have some footage for you at night so you can see better outdoors. And this thing, it's a beast. I didn't know that this one was actually, just judging by the size, was capable to just expel so much smoke. So we're gonna test it out and we're gonna see how that one works with the video. But this one, it is the bottom line before we jump out outside, because I'm gonna show it to you outside, not indoors, because this thing, it is crazy how much you can get. It is 600 watts. It comes with a remote controller, which for that to work, you're gonna have to plug this accessory right here on the back, and also you're gonna plug the cable, the power cable over here, which I wish that it could have been just a little bit longer. It's not super long, so you need to either be close to a power outlet or you have you use a heavy duty prolonger. So 600 watts and also 2300 CFM for the actual smoke. And you're also gonna find that comes with, oh, let me actually see if I can do it right now. Okay, yeah, that's okay. So you're gonna comes with this one, so you can mount it to the ceiling if you want, or the wall. It also comes with this handle over here. In the front, you're gonna find a disco ball, lasers, and RGB lights. So that's actually a really good combination. And to use it, let's just jump on a super closer look, and then we're gonna try it outdoors. So here's the remote controller, which you're gonna have the buttons over here. So just to use it or lock it. And then right here on the back, you're gonna find one button for the disco ball and one button for the actual RGB light, and another one that is gonna be for the automatic feature. So you can actually leave this one working by itself. You don't have to use the remote controller. You can actually play with those buttons. The most important thing will be just to put this one inside and make sure that this part over here reaches the bottom of the tank, which, by the way, let's actually push it to the bottom right there. So this one over here, we're gonna drop some, so you can see how that is done, and we're all set. So once we're done with that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump at night so you can see how this one works, which, by the way, spoiler alert, works perfectly. I'm gonna just put this cap over here and we should be all set. So now we're gonna do the test at night. I have the remote controller over here, and we're gonna just do it right now, and we go, and in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This is so awesome. Actually turn it off. And that's it. So we have the atmosphere right here with all the lasers and everything. And if you need some more, you just press over here. Remember, you have the automatic one also, so you don't have to rely on just, oh, with the lights, it looks so cool. I think we're gonna change the angle now. So now I'm gonna get just in the way so you can see how cool this one is. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's a little bit windy, so that's even better because it's not reaching. Oh no, I just spoke too soon. Oh, I'm gonna turn it off. And now I'm in the middle of it. This is insane. It's so much. And remember, you also have the automatic one. So you saw it during the day. You saw it how easy it is to use. You see how much lights you have, the automatic mode and the remote control over here. Remember, my recommended fog liquid is that one that I showed you before. One more time, I hope this would help for you and help you in your buying decision. Let's go one more time. This was good. Thumbs up, recommended. See you soon.